welcome to Brain Science. So, as you guys can see in my previous episode, I introduced to you guys my new phone, that's the Realme 2 Pro. There's a box here, so I will keep it aside. So, next up, when you are using a Realme phone, I think they also have an earphone too. So, I thought, why shouldn't we go into that earphone and let's see if that's good. For the price of $499, not to mention the price here is $699, but the online price in Flipkart is $499. So for 500 rupees, let's see if this is worth that money, that amount of money, because 500 rupees is kind of a good budget. I cannot see it's a great budget, so we might have to expect at least a buzz, because most of you guys who use these kind of in-ear earphones needs a pretty decent bass. So I hope if that's present in this one, then we have nothing to be worried about. So let's get in, guys. So this is the box itself, and the model number is here, RMA 101. Okay, and speaker size, etc, color is black, impedance 32 ohms. Okay, pretty much. And yes, of course, Oppo. If I don't know if there is anyone who doesn't know, Oppo and OnePlus and Realme are kind of a single brand like Xiaomi and Redmi. If you guys doesn't know, then that's the answer. So I'm not going into them in detail, so because this is going to be an unboxing of this one and kind of my impressions, I will tell you guys if this satisfied me or not. So let's open it up and let's see. Okay, we have a pull tab right here, you guys can see, and I'm going to pull it out. Okay, they have done a good presentation here, as you guys can see. Not bad at all. And the Realme logo is on there, and that yellow color, that small yellow color, is kind of giving a good look into it. So let's get deep into this and open it up. Okay, our codes, let's pull up these, and moment of truth. Okay, they are magnets, and pretty strong magnet, not like a dull magnet or anything. You guys can see it requires a little bit of force, so it would be good to hanging around in neck. So that's a great choice. So let's keep it aside. Proud to be young. Okay, I'm proud. Let's take a look at the cable. Whoa. Braided cable. Nice. Okay, so 500 bucks is well spent, but not till very end. Let's see. You see, guys? Oh, this is kind of mess. Okay, the braided cable only comes till this point, and from there it's just the normal cable that is used in every other earphone. So that's pretty much it. And the earphones, that yellow color inside that bud, it actually looks cool too. What do you guys think? If you guys think that's nice, let me know in the comments. And the magnet, as you guys can see, is good enough. So where is that button options? Okay, so there are the button options: volume up, volume down, and the pause button. These buttons are pretty, let's say, a little hard to press, and there is no kind of sound or anything, but it's pretty big hard. I don't know, The pause button is a little okay, but the volume down button is okay too, but the volume up button requires a bit more force. I don't know why. And we have the Realme branding here. Okay, and that would be our microphone. And if you guys need to have a camera comparison or anything of the Realme 2 Pro phone, I'm actually doing the video in the same phone at 1080p and in low light conditions with the flash off. So this is the light from my tube, and there is no other artificial lighting or anything, so you guys can see how the clarity of the video in this phone in 1080p. I guess I am in 1080p. Yeah, I'm in 1080p, no problem there. So guys, so I have done the tests and it had taken me a day or something to actually verify every aspect of this earphone. So well, let's start from the sound quality itself. So the bass, I really have to say, it just stands out a little bit more compared to the overall sound. So if you guys are really a lover of bass, then I think this would be an option for you guys. But for me, at some points, it only happens to me at some time, like a bit more like in normal conditions, I would not say, but in some areas or in some songs where they have a little bit bass, this thing actually amplifies it a lot. So it will be like you are putting your ear in front of an subwoofer. That's the same kind of effect these two little things are giving to our ears. So for bass, this one is pretty good, and the overall sound clarity is okay, have to say, for 999, and it's doing its job pretty well. And I think I don't have anything else to say. So my last overall rating, design aspect, I have to give it an 8 or 9. I don't know. For the magnets, okay, I will give it a 9 because of the braided cable itself. I can't say anything else on that one. So the design is good, but the buttons are a little bit harder. I have to say it's a bit harder than the usual ones. And the sound quality, especially the bass, is good. Bass is a bit over, so if you guys are really a bass lover, this thing is yours. I have to say, for 499, we cannot argue about anything else, because I actually showed it to my friend who didn't know about its rate, and he was thinking about this one to be above 1000. So and he actually tested it out too. So he said it is kind of a good earphone, like in a price range of 1000. So I told him it's below 500, and yeah, so he's a bit shocked too. But so in my opinion, these earphones are good. Have tested it out in various songs. I cannot actually point it out. I played PUBG with this one on too. So the left and right earbuds, which are doing its job very well. So that's it, guys. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment if you guys want to know anything further about this one or about my phone or anything else, or if you guys have any suggestions for me, please feel free to do it on the comment box, because in most of my videos the comment box is pretty free, so you guys can just roam around and comment it out. I will try to make it happen. So that's it, guys. See you in the next week. I think I would have to upload like daily, I guess, to until I get like around 100 subscribers. I'm just aiming for 100 right now, because let's say, guys, I'm not going to be a big YouTuber like in this space, so I'm not actually aiming for that too. So right now I have this, I did the review, and if you guys have any doubt or any recommendations or anything, just do it in the comments and I'm pointing it out. Goodbye.